Remove the assembly fixture. Remove the new bolts. Put the power steering motor assembly and I-shaft bolts at location marked on the box. Remove the lock. Remove the flaps provided on 3 sides of the boxes before removing the fixture. Remove the disassembly fixture along with the new spare part. After taking the part from the disassembly fixture, transfer the new spare part on the assembly fixture. Put the old removed part on the disassembly fixture. Make sure the part is kept on disassembly fixture as per the marked orientation. After keeping the old removed part on the disassembly fixture, clean the part with clean cloth. Remove the coupler from power steering motor assembly by pressing the coupler lock. Loose both the power steering motor assembly bolts with the help of torque wrench. After loosening, remove the power steering motor assembly bolts. Keep the bolts in the spare part box. Remove the power steering motor assembly manually from column. Do not touch or clean the inner shaft of power steering motor assembly. Put the protective cap on power steering motor assembly to prevent from any contamination. Keep the power steering motor assembly on the location marked on the box carefully. Loose the steering column upper user bolt with the help of torque wrench. After loosening, remove the steering column upper user bolt. Keep the old bolt in the spare part box. Now remove the I-shaft from the column. If I-shaft is stuck, then use rubber mallet on the upper user only. Do not hit the rubber mallet on bearing. After removing the I-shaft, keep the I-shaft at the location marked on the box. Put the old removed part back into the spare part box to prevent any chance of mix-up. Now remove the old sliding bolt of the I-shaft. Put the old bolt in the spare part box. Now assemble the new sliding bolt in the I-shaft. Insert the upper user in the lower shaft of the column. If I-shaft is stuck, then use rubber mallet on the upper user only. Do not hit the rubber mallet on bearing. After assembling the I-shaft, check the fitment position. Lower shaft must be visible through the UJ. Now assemble the new upper UJ bolt. Pull and push the upper UJ to check the bolt position in lower shaft groove. Now tighten the upper user bolt with the help of torque meter and ensure the torque is applied between 35 to 40 Newton meter. Remove the spare part rubber cover. Then remove the power steering motor assembly protective cap. Before assembling the power steering motor assembly, check the identification of power steering motor assembly connector direction which is provided on the column. Now align the power steering motor assembly inner shaft and assemble it in the spare part. During power steering motor assembly, rotate the eye shaft slowly in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Once power steering motor assembly is fitted in the column, assemble the new power steering motor assembly bolts. Power steering motor assembly bolts to be tightened in 3 stages. First, hand tight the power steering motor assembly bolts. Then apply 3 Nm torque on both the bolts subsequently. Kindly ensure that during bolt tightening, the eye shaft is being rotated clockwise and anti-clockwise manner slowly. Finally, apply 20 Nm torque on both the bolts subsequently. Now remove the poly bag from the coupler. Insert the coupler in power steering motor assembly connector properly. After completing the assembly of eye shaft and power steering motor assembly, cross mark the eye shaft bolt and power steering motor assembly bolt with the help of permanent marker. Put the rubber cover on old removed part. Then assemble the side flaps on the 3 sides of the carton box. Enclose the old removed part with the help of lock. Now put the old bolts in the spare part box. Please ensure there are 4 total bolts in the boxes. Then put the assembly fixture on the top of box and then pack the box.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.